Alright, we're doing a house this afternoon, and I'm going to show you just all the carpets. They're like a Frise style carpet. And there's one room. Here's a big living room area. And back behind the couches, I won't show. There's this a really stained area where someone puts their feet when they're sitting. A little bit of a stain kind of in here. And you can see there behind the couch. Go up this hallway. He's already worked on one room a little. He's in a second one. We have a room in here. And it's a work in progress. I'm not going to try to video all of this. I'm just going to show you some as we go. So that's what we're doing today. So stay tuned. We're pre-scrubbing the place where the foot traffic is at. This isn't the final clean. We're just going over the microfiber to scrub these areas a little bit, and we'll put a little more spray down if we need to.
We're going to do it with this and then go over later with cotton.
Yeah.
Okay, it's taking out a lot of it. But there's going to be what you call carpet abrasion, distorted fiber wear. That's going to be where it makes the shadows look different. So it's going to look worse than this because the fibers are distorted. But a lot of the dirt's coming out.
No, on camera it's going to be a little darker too because it's wetter than the rest of the carpet because we sprayed it kind of heavy to get it a start. No, I'm going to pause. We're going to be back to this in a little while, so stay tuned.
If you want to turn that camera on.
Okay, we're ready.
We're doing this whole room.
Okay. Now we have pre-scrubbed most of this. So.
We're going to go live without a net. Oh, that guy is so smooth compared to microfiber. Yeah, we had a dark stain, you can show them. And we're trying to line it up with the microfiber, with the scrub strips, because it does help the scrub stuff out. But we like using it a little bit, but we're really into cotton. Cotton it's a big absorber. Now, you guys who are watching this, be careful using cotton if you're using peroxide, because peroxide can eat through cotton because it's a natural fiber. So if you're using cotton bonnets, be careful about how much peroxide you're going through with it. It can damage them.
Alright, now some areas are going to appear a little darker. We sprayed them heavier. The camera picks up on moisture, and you may not see it with the naked eye, but it'll show up on a camera. So.
Yeah, the dark area is pretty wet. We sprayed it several times with different stuff.
Now with these thin bonnets like this, you can see them darken from the top when you're operating the machine. So you have a good indicator when it's time to switch to a new bonnet. On thicker bonnets, you can't really tell. You just go until you notice it doesn't seem to be cleaning very good, and then you know it's time to either clean it out or put down a new one. Anyway, he's got one more room to do in there, but it's not dirty, so I'm not gonna video that. You pull some of that moisture out too.
Now some of that is the shadow from the seat of the couch.
Yeah.
So it kind of looks darker than it is. But it's never going to completely match up with the rest of the room, but it will be vastly improved.
Well, looking through this viewfinder, I could see that the camera's boosting the available light in here, so you're already seeing a brighter room than what we see. So it's already kind of kills off some of the stains. You don't see them very well.
Now this house is for sale, so the customers want to get the carpets in shape so that they don't have to replace them to sell the house, and that's their goal. And we're trying to help them get that accomplished before.
Yeah, and we may come back, and when they have to move all their furniture out, and we may come back and touch the carpets up for them then too.
Now wouldn't that be a dandy? I gotta tell you, this dark area is starting to come out a lot more than I thought it would. Yeah, it's these cotton bonnets.
Yeah.
They really do a number. You can't hardly beat the power of cotton.
The look, the feel.
How you doing?
All right.
Hey.
All right. I'm a pause here. He's basically done with this room.
Yeah, let it run a minute. Unless somebody wants to talk to us. Let her be.
Of course, we always ask permission to use the camera in people's houses, so this is
You know, that's not half bad.
no, it just takes a little time.
It's
You can't always make things look brand new and perfect and match everything, because you're not able to repair damage. You could just clean. But if you can get that dirt stripped off those fibers, and with an orbital machine, that's what they're really good at, is stripping the dirt off the fibers. Absorb that stuff out. I'll show you. He's got one pad. He's got one pad over here that he used earlier. This doesn't look real bad. Yeah, there's. I don't know if he doesn't have a new one laid out right now, but that was bright white when he started. So
that's not bad at all. That's almost a color. I mean, that's
all right.
All right. Now, a lot of people ask us, what's the difference in an orbital and rotary? Well, one's an orbital.
Yeah.
An orbital, it gets all sides of the carpets, 30 orbits per second. A rotary don't do that.
Yeah. Now with these, depending on what pad you're using, you'll still get you can get a lot of rotation out of an orbital, or it can look like it's just sitting still.
And we've had people ask us about the different professional equipment we use. We've used rotaries. We did all that in the past, and we've moved to orbital.
Yeah.
There's a purpose for it.
We've been cleaning off and on since 1978. So and back then that's what you used was a rotary. So we got to play with those a lot. So
I'll tell you, I am
all right.
pretty proud of that.
I think it's coming out pretty good. We got one more room to do.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's a big improvement. We got one more room to do. I'm not going to video that. I'm going to end the video here actually. But I hope you guys enjoyed that, and we're having fun too. And
Oh, it's just a blast a minute.
yeah.
Hey, miss.
So thanks for watching.